So guys, I will share with you, all right, how to register your 1688, all right, the new method, how to register your 1688. Okay, first of all, what you need to what you need to do, this is what you need to do. You need to go to the Play Store, all right, and type this 1688. Okay, when you type on 1688, all right, when you type on 1688, that is what is going to show this logo. Well, once you see the 1688, you download it. Once you download it, all right, please listen carefully. When once you download it, all right, you install it as usual. Just go to 1688. Go to your Play Store. Okay, you can also get this on your Apple phones. All right, so you just go there and do it. So me, I have just done that. I just download my. I've gone to download my and I installed it. That is why you can see it there on my menu. Okay, so I'm going to tap on it. Okay, so I will tap on it. So when you show like this, okay, I think for security reasons, you are not going to be seeing the Google and the Facebook and the password. All right. So you are clicking the Google, okay? It is Google that you are going to be clicking. When you click on Google, all right, that enables you to use any of your email of your choice, all right? So that is what we are going to be tapping right now, all right? But I think in my screen, because of the security purpose, is not going to be showing points. But when you install your own 1688 on your mobile phone, all right, it's going to be showing the Google. When you hold your phone to your right hand, you're going to be seeing at the left corner of your phone. The first one is Google, and the second one is Facebook. The third one is password. But we are working with Google. Click on Google and choose any email of your choice you have on your device to sign in. All right, and you are going to click on agree. Okay, when you see this option, so right now I'm going to be clicking in one of my email that I want to use for this video. So I'll wait for it to load. Okay, you can see mine now. It just enter once, okay? So you can see it. You can see my 1688 now. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So you can see it now. You can see it. When I click it, you'll take me automatically straight. Just press it back and it will take you to your own page. You can see the factory, industry, and record. This place is place where you bought anything. You are going to be see the recording there. This is the place here. This place it's going to be showing recording. All right. So this is how to register your 1688 successfully. All right. Congratulations. All right. You have gotten to this place. So that's how to register your 1688. All right, and don't forget to go to the Play Store. All right, if you have not installed your 1688, go to the Play Store right now, okay, and do so. Okay, meanwhile, I think I'll be leaving the link under the description down below. When you click it, it's going to take you straight to the place where you are going to download it. Okay, and if you are just coming across this channel, okay, this is the face of the Legend Importer. Okay, my name is Clinton. All right, so my business name is the Legend Importer. Okay, good to have you on board. All right, do well to share this video to other people, because there are a lot of people that are online, okay, looking for this kind of information. All right, please do well to share, comment any challenges you are facing in your importation business. Do well to share it with me in the comment section. Okay, I'll be making a video for each of those questions you guys will be dropping. All right, so don't forget to share and like, comment, and ask every of your question, anything you don't understand in the importation game. All right, and also I also teach how to import from Bangladesh, Dubai. All right, so see you guys in the next video, because I'll be dropping the next video on how you can add your warehouse address on 1688. All right, see you guys in the next video.